If you didn't get a prenup before you got married, don't worry, all hope is not lost. There is one other option available to you, and that would be a postnup. And really, these are called marital agreements, like I say, NUPs, but that's not what they're actually called. It's a premarital agreement or a post-marital agreement. But you can do it after you get married, and some people do, but just think it through. How likely is that going to be to happen? I would say not very likely, because usually somebody wants a postnuptial agreement or a postmarital agreement after the marriage because they're trying to protect something. And if I'm trying to protect something in my marriage and keep it from the other person, then the other person is having to give something up. Because remember, in Texas, after the date of marriage, everything you buy or acquire that's not through gift or inheritance is both of y'all's. So a postnup would change that. Why would somebody sign that after the marriage? And there's a couple reasons: for asset protection reasons. And then another one is sometimes it's required by one of the parties to try to save the marriage. Like, hey, I'll continue to stay married to you and work on this, but I want you to sign a postmarital agreement that does XYZ things so that I can feel more comfortable in the marriage. So it's an option. I don't want you to think of it as a very viable option because it's unlikely, but it does happen.